Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how I clip in my INH hair extensions for a full voluminous look. I also have a discount code K3Chocolate which you can use for 15% off any order on their website, including hair extensions, wigs, ponytails, buns, bangs, and more. I will link their website down below in the info box for you. Definitely check them out. I have been with this company for years now, ever since they started. They're LA based and I love their extensions. They also have a variety of colors of wigs, perfect for Halloween or any dress up. So I start off clipping in the long webs at the back of my head, and then I clip in the shorter pieces in the front. I also had my hair extensions custom cut when I went to my hairstylist. So they are a little bit layered in the front, and that's how I can tell which side they go on. I also post a lot of short tutorials for both hair and makeup, as well as some fashion hauls on my Instagram, so definitely check me out at K3Chocolate. And generally I just feel where they go. I do the part with my fingers. I don't use any comb or anything. I just feel it out. And I don't even need a mirror to clip them in because I've been wearing hair extensions, the clip-in kind, since about 2009. So I've had some experience, but I definitely need a mirror to curl it. My natural hair is very curly, so I first have to straighten it by blow drying my hair, and then sometimes I'll use a flat iron, but most of the time nowadays I just blow dry it really well to blend my hair with the extensions, and then I curl it all together so it's seamless and you cannot tell when my hair ends and the extensions begin. But I love my naturally curly hair. I just wish it was longer so I could wear it that way. It would be pretty and a lot less hassle than all of this work, but it's not long enough and there are no extensions that will match your natural curl. It's really hard to find extensions that are exactly like your natural curl. My curly hair people probably feel me on this, but these are definitely my favorite extensions that I've ever used, and I have went through so many clip-ins over the years. So I will link this curling iron that I'm using for you in the info box. This is my hairstylist's recommendation. It's his favorite one. He uses it with the clip because he's a professional, but for me it's easier to use it as a wand. But it does have a clip and it also has a swivel, so it makes it really easy, and a lot of times it's sold out, but I'll leave you the link for it anyway because I love the look that it gives. When my stylist curls my hair with this wand, it looks absolutely phenomenal. I don't even know how he does it, but this is just the way I've been curling my hair for years now, and it's fast and easy, so I like it. And that's the way I'm showing you today. So I did the longer pieces, and then I'm just going over that on the top, curling those shorter pieces to blend it all together and running my fingers through everything to blend it all. And overall it stays very well throughout the night, so I'm really happy with the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at K3Chocolate. And definitely use my discount code to save some money. Thanks for watching, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.